So today I'm going to talk about RCSI, or Read Committed Snapshot Isolation. Basically, this is going to allow for optimistic rather than the default pessimistic isolation level for SQL Server, which helps with reporting or doing select statements while you're doing update transactions or deletes. Let's go over to Management Studio. You can see that I'm already on my instance. I've got the demo DB over here. Let's go to options. You can see the rig committed snapshot isolation level is false. So before we enable it, we're going to show you, okay, I'm going to begin this transaction. I'm going to update the users table and set the age to 25 where 1 equals 1. So it should happen on all the different rows, but I'm not going to commit it. All right. And then I'm going to try to run the select statement. All right, and now we're going to run SP who is active. You can see that this blocking session ID is coming from the update statement. Since it hasn't been committed yet, it's not going to allow this select statement to read anything. So that could be pretty annoying for a lot of your reporting customers. So one way to get around that is using RCSI, which will basically start versioning off to the temp DB. So even whenever we have this enabled, it still isn't going to be live data. It's going to be the version data before the transaction was ran. Obviously, it hasn't been committed yet, but after it is committed and you run it again, it will show the update. So let's go look at that. Options, scroll down, and this should take and if you have a larger database, this will knock everyone off of here. It's going to disconnect people and it may take a few minutes, so be wary of that. Push OK. Close all connections database. Are you sure you want to change it? Yes. And we will let it run. It's a relatively small database, so it's already completed. And we're going to do this same thing. I probably need to roll that back. Now, well, it killed that connection. So let's begin this transaction. Perfect. And here's that select top 100 again. And it's going to show 100. So let's do a simple commit. And then run this again, 25. So this is a really easy way to have people stop some of your locking and blocking issues, and also not use horrible workarounds like no lock.